Do you want Gemini to be your primary assistant on your phone, but want it ready for action even without unlocking your screen? Today, I will show you how to enable or disable Gemini as your main assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, specifically focusing on how to use it without unlocking your phone. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Now, scroll down until you find Gemini on lock screen. Tap this option and you will see the toggle for Use Gemini without unlocking. Simply tap the switch to enable or disable this feature. Once enabled, this allows Gemini to respond to your commands, like getting quick information or setting reminders, even while your device is locked, without the need to enter your PIN or use biometrics every time. Using Gemini on your lock screen gives you instant access to advanced AI features, like solving problems or creative writing, without the friction of unlocking. However, keep in mind that some personal data might be restricted on the lock screen for your privacy. If you ever want to change this, you can simply go back to the settings and toggle this switch off. And that is how to enable or disable using Gemini as your assistant on your lock screen for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Do you find it more convenient to have your AI assistant ready at a glance? Or do you prefer the extra security of always unlocking your phone? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.